The biopharmaceutical industry is an area where biotechnology is widely used, has remarkable results, and is developing rapidly. It integrates the biotechnology and pharmaceutical industries and involves chemistry, genetics, bioinformatics, pathology, physics, and other disciplines. It is a knowledge system supported by multiple disciplines. The so-called biopharmaceuticals are the process of applying bioengineering technology to the field of drug manufacturing, the main one being genetic engineering methods. That is, cloning technology and tissue culture technology are used to cut, insert, connect, and recombine DNA to obtain biomedical products. Biopharmaceuticals in the broad sense include genetic engineering pharmaceuticals, biochemical pharmaceuticals, etc., while biopharmaceuticals in the narrow sense mainly refer to genetic engineering pharmaceuticals. Biopharmaceuticals are biological activators that use microorganisms, parasites, animal toxins, and biological tissues as starting materials, are prepared using biological processes or separation and purification techniques, and use biological techniques and analytical techniques to control the quality of intermediate products and finished products.